Hello everyone, welcome back to Technicalomor. Today we have an exciting review for those who value comfort, convenience and cutting-edge technology in their homes or offices. We are diving deep into an Alexa-enabled mini-split AC and heating system that promises to be a game changer in climate control. Let's unpack the details and see if it lives up to the hype. The mini-split system arrives in 3 separate boxes, each carefully packed to ensure you have everything needed for the setup and operation. Let's break it down. The first box contains the remote control, a USB adapter for connecting the system to Alexa, a small filter, screws, and various installation parts. You'll also get the user manual, installation manual, warranty documents, and of course, the indoor air handler itself. The second box includes a warranty for specific components, some rubber parts to elevate the unit, and a drain hole to manage condensation. The last box contains all the essential cables, including a drain hose for the indoor unit, cables to connect the indoor and outdoor units, 2 copper tubes, 2 rolls of insulting tape, a plastic cover for sealing the installation hole, and a putty to ensure the hole is tightly closed. Everything is thoughtfully organized, making it easy to identify the parts during installation. Before we discuss the installation, it's important to note that this system requires professional installation to ensure optimal performance and safety. Here's a general overview of the process. The indoor unit or air handler is mounted on a wall in your desired location. The included bracket makes this step straightforward. Copper tubes connect the indoor unit to the outdoor condenser, facilitating the refrigerant flow. A small hole is drilled in the wall to pass the tubes and wires. The included plastic cover and putty help seal the hole neatly. The outdoor condenser is placed on a stable surface, elevated using the provided rubber parts to ensure proper drainage and airflow. communication wire connects the indoor and outdoor units, ensuring smooth operation. After everything is connected, the system is powered up and the refrigerant is checked to ensure it's functioning correctly. While these steps provide an idea of what's involved, hiring a professional ensures the installation complies with safety standards and warranties remain valid. Let's talk about the features that makes this mini split system stand out. One of the most impressive aspects of this system is its Alexa integration. By using voice commands or the dedicated app, you can adjust the temperature from anywhere, set routines for automatic temperature changes throughout the day, and monitor energy usage for the battery efficiency. This feature makes the system not just convenient but also a smart addition to your home automation setup. This mini split isn't just an air conditioner, it's a true all-season solution for 4 main functions. It works as an air conditioner to keep your space cool and comfortable during the hottest months. The heat pump provides efficient heating even in cold temperatures down to 5 degrees Fahrenheit or minus 15 degrees Celsius. The dehumidifier removes excess moisture from the air, making it perfect for humid climates. Fan and turbo mode circulate air quickly to reach your desired temperature faster. Whether it's summer, winter, or the in-between seasons, this system has you covered. The DC inverter technology is a standout feature. This system is UL listed and AHRI certified, ensuring high standards of performance and safety. The DC inverter adjusts the compressor speed based on the cooling or heating demand, reducing energy consumption and keeping your utility bills in check. Aesthetic matters, and this mini split doesn't disappoint. Its sleek design fits seamlessly into various environments, whether it's a cozy bedroom, a spacious living area, a commercial store, or even a warehouse. It's the perfect blend of style and functionality. Everything you need for the installation is included. The package provides 16 feet line set, communication wire, and preloaded refrigerant for 25 feet. This minimizes the hassle of sourcing additional components and ensuring a streamlined installation process. Another highlight is the robust warranty. It includes a 5-year parts replacement warranty that covers any defective parts, ensuring peace of mind. The compressor warranty also lasts 5 years, guaranteeing the durability of the system core components. Senville provides complimentary technical assistance to address any issues or questions. However, note that labor costs for repairs are not included in the warranty. In daily use, the system excels in delivering consistent comfort. The remote control is intuitive, and the Alexa integration works flawlessly, making it easy to adjust settings without getting up. The turbo mode is especially useful for quickly cooling or heating a room when you are in a hurry. The dehumidifier function is a game changer in humid environments, effectively reducing moisture levels and improving indoor air quality. Meanwhile, the heat pump performs admirably in chilly weather, making it a reliable solution year-round. This Alexa-enabled mini-split AC and heating system is a fantastic choice for anyone looking to upgrade their climate control setup. It's a combination of smart technology, energy efficiency, and versatile performance makes it a worthy investment. While the requirement for professional installation may be a drawback for some, the included components and warranty coverage more than make up for it. If you are in the market for a reliable, stylish and feature-packed mini-split system, this one should be at the top of your list. That's all for today's review on Technicalomor. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and tech insights. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.